the role I was back in was pure development
Right.
again.
Okay,
Working
so you went straight back to development.
straight back
Wow.
to pure development, yeah. So
Fair play.
and it was a bit of a culture shock, I don't mind telling you.
You're right.
So we were working there, and well, so I was working there, I should say, and the 3 months probation standard thing.
Yeah.
We got to the end of the 3 months probation, and I just wasn't happy.
No.
I wasn't. I didn't feel right doing a pure development role anymore.
Mm-hmm.
And we had discussions with them, and we agreed that it wasn't going to work out. There's nothing they could do to to improve things for me. And I think that's quite an important thing as well when you have things like probation interviews as well, because in my current role I do a lot of interviews as well. It's as much about making sure that you're a good fit for the candidate, employee, whoever, as they are for your company.
Right.
And that was the discussion we were having at the probation. It was about how that fit was, and it just wasn't working. There were cultural issues and things like that, but I just wasn't happy. I didn't see a way that I could do the job and be happy. Particularly when you get to the point I am in my career, my age. That's a fundamental thing for any position. Is very much there's no career building left to do as such.
Right.
It's more I have to be doing something that I get up in the morning and I feel yes.
So
another day.
So what were the main points that were not driving you to continue as development on the development side?
It was a lot of the cultural things, but also I was missing some of the other types of problem solving I was doing. So working out how we're going to do things, trying to get the backlog in shape, actually doing analysis, requirements analysis,
right?
A better understanding of what we were trying to do, and actually be able to direct that to an extent as well. Being able to take a lead in where we were going with the platform and what we were doing, things like that. And it just didn't gel right. Where I was at the time.
So it's like a different problem to solve, or a different set of problems to solve.
It's a different set of problems. It's a different style of problem solving as well. You're not just solving it with code. You're solving it with either architecture. So what infrastructure are we going to use? Who are we going to get to do it? What tooling are we going to use? And all that sort of stuff, and also, to some extent, dealing with the soft skills as well. So dealing with people, mentoring people, trying to lead people, and bring them on. I've always been, wherever I can do, I try and help out, try and mentor, try and bring people's own skill level up.